Look at these wings. Oh, hey there, neighbor. Somebody's using their Tesla electric lawnmower, and it's a pretty windy day. But you know what? We're gonna power through it, and we're gonna give you guys a good video on smoked chicken wings. Follow me. Making chicken wings for the neighborhood. I got the big smoker going right now, and as promised, here's a smoked chicken wing video. I'm gonna be feeding the entire block smoked chicken wings for the block party. 1, 2, 4. That's a lot of chicken wings. I've got 4 kilograms of chicken wings. Let me show you how I'm gonna make them. This rub is super easy. All it is salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm not even gonna let it marinate on the wings for too long, maybe 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna get them on the smoke right away. I gotta get these wings out to the people. Oh, it's nice because these wings aren't too wet, so I don't have to take off much moisture, but I'll still pat them down a little bit. Okay, let's pat these wings down a little bit. It doesn't look like they really need it though, so I'm gonna get to the spices right away. Once again, super easy. All this is garlic powder, salt, and pepper, equal parts. Makes me happy to cook for people. Okay, I'd say that's pretty good. Let's rub them up. We've got the whole chicken wing, drum, wing, and tip. So much garlic powder. I love it. Oh yeah, let's get all that rub in there. There's a good amount of salt here, and that's important because I want that skin to absorb the salt so it gets nice and crispy on the smoker. I've got the temps running a little bit hotter today. You know, I don't usually smoke at around 300. Let's see what they're at. Well, $2.99 on the bottom and $2.80 up top. Let's get this rub all over these wings. Oh, I just lost one. Garlic, salt, and pepper is all you need, guys. Beautiful. Let's smoke it. It doesn't have to be pretty, I just got to get them on, so here we go. Grab a handful of wings and throw them on the grill. Get all the wings on the smoker. We are loaded up. Let's let these wings smoke both trays. We're only using half the smoker. I kind of feel bad, but it's a nice, hot, fast cook. Here we go, guys. I'll see you when these things are smoked up. Hello. Okay, let's make a nice sauce for these wings. This sauce is going to be so easy, you'll see. All I'm going to use is this butter right here. Not even that much butter, really. Oh, maple syrup from a sugar shack in Quebec. And Dijon mustard with a crooked label. How'd that happen? First step is we're going to put this butter in the smoker and melt it and give it a little lick of smoke. Okay, let's get this butter melting. Ooh, smells nice in there. I think the butter's all melted. Let's check it out. Time to make that sauce. I love melted butter. We are going to pour in a generous amount of this maple syrup from Quebec. Because why not? We have a lot of chicken wings on there. Whoa, the wind got that one. To thicken this up a little bit and give it that extra little kick. Lots of Dijon. Boop. I hope they like Dijon. And one more. Hey, the bowl's not as hot as I thought it would be. We're getting there, we're getting there. Ooh, smells so good. We almost have a honey mustard consistency going on. Look at this. Oh, that's gonna be so good, coated all over the wings. Let's put this back on the smoker so all the flavors can blend together and give it a little bit more smoke. Let's get them off the grill. Oh, you gotta check these wings out. Oh yeah. There we go. All right, this isn't all of them. There's still a few more on the smoker, but let's sauce these up. People are waiting for us. We have to hurry up. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Perfect, smoked, sauced chicken wings. Oh, don't mind if I do. Salty, sweet. You can taste the mustard. I can't wait to feed these to everyone. Let's go. I just want to come back and give you a quick wrap up after the block party and show you the results. They loved it. Some people were saying it was some of the best chicken wings they've ever had. And I think that's the message from today's video. I think you need to find the joy in feeding somebody else. So go cook something and go feed somebody else something, or I will feed you.